Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Naved Khan. Today day 7 of SQL LeetCode problem series. If you are new in this channel, make sure like the video, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon and check full playlist in the description. Today we solve this question. The question number is 1068 product sales analysis 1. In LeetCode we have two tables. The table 1 is sales and the table 2 is product. Here we use joint operation. So firstly we check and read the code, read all instruction about this question. Let's go and read the question. We have a table sales, here column name, and here type sales ID, product ID, year, quality and price. Everything here is int type, and here sales ID year is primary key combination of columns with unique value of this table. Product ID is a foreign key reference column to product table. Each rows of this table shows a sales on the product ID in a certain year. Note that the price is per unit. And here we have a second table. The table name is product. Here also product ID, its type is int, and product name is varchar. So what's our task? So our task is write a solution to report the product name, year, price for each sales ID and sales table. So here an example. So we have to print this table with the help of sales table and product table. So we have two same thing here, same ID here. The first is product ID here also and here also. So with the help of joint, we solve this question. So what's we want to print? We want to print product name, year, and price. So here we write select product name, year, and price. From what is our first table name is? Our first table name is sales. So here we write sales as a S, and here we write left joint. Yes, here we write left joint. Why? Because we use this thing in this table. Here the second table is product table, have product ID is in left. So we use this thing. What is the second table name is? The second table name is product. So here we write product as a P, and here we write on P product ID is equal to what is we take sales we take as. So here we write as say product ID. Okay, now we run this code. Yes, this is accepted. Now submit the code. Let's take a time. Yes, loading, and all test cases, 13 out of 20 test cases pass. So we will meet in the next video.